Hi everyone. So last week I had a very interesting idea about are there answers to our modern problems in Gita? So that is where I started digging deeper and try to build a chatbot that does this exact same thing. And today in this video, I'll share how I built it with all of you. And you are free to follow. And the best part is I am open sourcing everything, the entire code, and also the running bot, which has been working with my own LLM credentials. And I built it with a Gita dataset. Shout out to Jay Dhruv for creating this excellent data set. It has verbatim scripts of Sanskrit and translations in Hindi, English, and also the transliteration of the text. Like Sanskrit, but written in Latin script. So shout out to Jethro for making such a high quality data set. So let's see how we can build this chatbot and how we can find answers to our modern solution in Sri Krishna's own words. So I've taken a fairly first let's start with a demo of how well the bot works. And as you can see, like I've taken a very fairly standard Gen Z problem, which is my situationship has ghosted me. I can't get over her. I'm addicted to having sex with her, but she doesn't want me to commit. What do I do? This is such a modern, this is a Kali Yuga problem, not Dwapar Yuga. But God has answers to it. Does he? Let's find out. So we can run this bot. It is less than 60 lines bot. That's it. I'll share this entire code and everything in the description below. Later, after the demo, I'll also walk you through how and what are the different aspects of it, and also I'll be leaving a link down below for this bot. This is exact same bot, but just it has UI, so all of you can use. As you can see, my dear devotee, your suffering arises from attachment and uncontrolled desire. The physical body and its fleeting pleasures are impermanent, and clinging to them brings only sorrow. Your addiction to sex and your longing for someone who does not reciprocate commitment are born of desire, which, along with anger and greed, forms a triple gate to suffering. Understand that your true self, the soul, is eternal, unchangeable, and distinct from the body and its desires. Do not grieve over temporary situations. Instead, cultivate wisdom and self control. Free yourself from passion and fear. Turn your mind away from these fleeting attachments and fix it upon me. By purifying yourselves through wisdom and restraining your senses, you will find true peace and become one with me. Fantastic advice from God, from Gita itself. So let's dive deep into, let's go through the code walkthrough and how and what I've built. Like I said, the first part of this starts with Bhagavad Gita dataset. Again, shout out to Jethro for creating such amazing dataset. After this, we are just taking the English parts. Like these are all the verses. There are total 701 verses in Bhagavad Gita. This contains every single chapter, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 18. Once these are all there, we have created a list of all the English translations, and then we are taking a user query and searching the question for similar verses. Which verses do apply to us using vector search embedding? We are creating the vector search embedding model here. This is the model. This is an open source model. You can also try several other embedding models if you want, but this is what has given best results for this particular task. This is how we have to approach all of these Gen AI problems, because there is no one particular model which fits every single one of your use cases. You have to try and test with different available models and see which of them works the best for you. So I've taken this mini LM L6V2. It is a standard sentence transformer model. It takes a text, a sentence, and converts it into vector. That way we can search which among the 701 verses that are there in Bhagavad Gita match the most with the user's query. And once that is there, we are generating a concise response based on these Bhagavad Gita teachings. So this is where I would like to introduce a library called DSPY. DSPY is amazing in the sense that we need not write prompts anymore. We just need to define the input and the output. So here the input that we are giving is the context from Bhagavad Gita teachings, and question is the user's own question, and the response is what we expect as the output field. So we are declaring these as input and output. We need not specify things like send it in proper JSON, parse them properly, and all of that blah blah things. All of that is taken care of by the library itself. We can just create this signature, this input and output, and directly call it. See, as you can see, dot respond with context and the question. That's it. This gives us a response and we'll directly print it. So all the links for the code, the dataset, and my own public space where I've run this code and also built a beautiful UI for you to chat with Bhagavad Gita and gain its wisdom. All of them are in the links below. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next week's video. Next week, we will be building a chatbot, a small language model, a language model which takes half of what Google Chrome takes on your laptop, that much footprint, but it can actually play chess at a very high level at 1800, 1900 ELO level. So that is what we'll be diving in deeper next week. So stay tuned for next week's video. See you again. Bye.